welcome to Crossman's Ultimate Shots today. I know we have a guest here today. This is Jonas. He was part of the Snowmageddon that went on. And here at Crossman's Ultimate Shots, we don't really care for Jonas a whole lot. So the trick shot we got for you today is going to be pretty interesting. We actually have, coming back to what we did before, we lit a match with the silhouette pistol, which, you know, offhand was pretty impressive. But this one we're going to back up because Jonas here, I don't think he's going to be with us very long after we complete this shot. So if you can come with me here, you can see Jonas's ear has a fuse coming out of it. And here is our match that we want to light. So I'm not going to say, let's just say Jonas, this could be a pretty explosive results here once we light the match with the Benjamin Katana. We're going to give it a shot at about, we're going to be back at 20 yards and absolutely having safety glasses on today for our shot. And, well, let's go back and see what happens. Always the third shot. Well, Jonas, your Snowmageddon, I think we just put an end to it with the Benjamin Katana, lighting the match. I don't know why, but it always seems to take the third shot on everything we're doing. So, but that ended with a bang. Crossman's Ultimate Shots. Thanks for watching.